Everyone has a smartphone, but not everybody has a smartphone that suits them. But what about the all-new Reno 4 Pro? What kind of person would enjoy using this device? Who? Me? This is Victor. Let's give him the smartphone and see if it suits him. Wow, what a nice place! Okay, let's see what Victor can do with the OPPO Reno 4 Pro's cameras. Aha, looks like Victor likes the cameras. Ah, you see that? That's Yvonne, Victor's good pal from a long time ago. Surely she must be excited to see Victor too, no? He thinks it would be a good idea to take photos of her to surprise her? So you know, naturally he moves closer to get a better shot, and while he's doing so, he notices a few new cool features on the OPPO Reno 4 Pro, the monochrome mode and the AI color portrait mode. With a bright attire, the OPPO Reno 4 Pro really brings out Yvonne's quirky sense of fashion. Oh no, Victor's scared of pro old Yvonne. Oh, but hold on, maybe now's a good time to try out the phone's videography abilities. Look at how steady the video is. But it wouldn't be too hard to keep the phone steady since it only weighs 161 grams. Now that's a slow-mo worthy of being in a Bollywood flick. There you go, she remembers him now. Maybe now is a good time for a selfie, finally. Oh, look how gorgeous they are. AI color portrait mode even works on this selfie lens. Alright, no more misunderstanding. Now's a perfect time to catch up over some tea. Well, these two definitely gossip for the whole day. It's already nighttime. Maybe now's a good time to show off the OPPO Reno 4 Pro's nighttime photography. Oh, so gorgeous yet again. The night flight portrait mode on the OPPO brightens up the subject while adding a bokeh effect to the background. It's been an entire day and the phone's running low on juice. Maybe now's a good time to find a place to charge it. With the OPPO 65W SuperVOOC 2.0 charger, there's really no problem charging up the Reno 4 Pro in just half an hour. Well, Victor's just showing off at this point. Look at the Reno 4 Pro's 90Hz AMOLED display with its sexy curves. Yvonne looks super impressed. Plus, with an 8GB plus 256GB memory configuration, the phone is extremely snappy and has ample storage to store all your precious photos and videos. Well, it's super late now, so it's time for these two pals to finally say goodbye once again. Until next time. Well, I guess we found him. This is the kind of person who should get the OPPO Reno 4 Pro. Someone who has meaningful relationships and want to remember the most important moments in their life, either with a photo or a video. If you're anything like Victor, then perhaps give the OPPO Reno 4 Pro a shot.